the Explorer, Dora's Magic Wand. A Lift the Flap story. Hola, I'm La Princesa Dora. Look, there's something glowing behind that flower. What could it be? It's a magic wand. I wonder who this magic wand belongs to. Mira, look! The magic wand is making something appear. What can you see? Yeah, it's a picture of a castle. This magic wand needs to be returned to the castle. Map says that to get to the castle, we need to go through the fairy garden and over Dragon Mountain. Let's go! Vámonos! We made it to the fairy garden. The fairy garden is filled with beautiful flowers, butterflies, and friendly fairies. But how do we get out of the fairy garden? The magic wand is glowing and pointing at that bush. What is the bush turning into? Whoa! The magic wand turned that bush into a garden gate. That's the way out. Wow! This is a magic wand. We made it to Dragon Mountain. Dragon Mountain is filled with friendly dragons. The magic wand is pointing at that dragon with purple polka dots. There's something different about that dragon. It's a costume. Can you see who's inside the dragon costume? Swiper. He'll try to swipe our magic wand. Say, Swiper, no swiping. We stopped Swiper. We made it to the castle. The magic wand can help us open the big heavy doors. Can you see what's inside the castle? It's a party, and everyone's invited. What a magical surprise. Thanks for helping me bring the magic wand back to the castle. Lahismos, we did it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.